No, you're not allowed. You're not allowed. Okay? Just no. But yeah. But no. Yeah. But yeah, anyways, guys, I am back on the creative server today. Yeah. There. Look, look. There's my pretty restaurant up there. Let's go see it. I'll show you what that is right down there in just a second, guys. Dun 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 dun. So it's basically just a bunch of tables, and it looks really nice, especially with the red sunblock. But today, let me ask you a very serious question. Have you ever wanted to watch fireworks? Too bad. I don't care if you don't want to. You're going to anyways. So each one of these has a different color um, firework in it, and they're all 64. See? So ready? Doesn't give me any leg, but Cody, if you're watching it, whoa, Cody was on last night. Whoa, whoa. Hey, look, there's my channel. So yeah, guys, I'll be right back. And never mind, it's too early for Cody to be up. So, 3, 2, 1, launch them fireworks! Oh, God, excuse me. Let's go watch this from my. Oh, God, my computer can't handle this. My computer can't handle this. Red film appears, so let's finish off. So that's the original line. Now I need a redstone appear. Stop. So let's get out of here. Yeah, derpy epic. I gotta zoom in on that. There, guys. Right there. My skin is Katniss. That freaks me out a little. I know it's just Minecraft skin, but it's a little bit weird. Apparently Cody's starting up his club again. It's freaking troll, Cody. Boom! Cody, here's a little fact. Move all this back one level and you'll be good. And come watch my Patriots colored fireworks as they like lag out your game as they're lagging out mine right now. There it goes. Really, guys? 30. I'm going in! Gotta get... Ah! Ugh. Apparently I didn't have one. Light blue. So I already got some gray. Put that back. Oh, guys, I know why. This one ran out so fast because there wasn't a redstone repeater right there. So now let's try. See, then it doesn't work. So yeah, guys, while that's happening in the background over there, let me just show you what I have stuck in there. So I have... It explodes into a red creeper. It makes this weird cool thing. And this one explodes into a blue creeper. So this is light blue, and that's blue. So this one is white, and then the next one is gray. So white, gray. That's what I have going in there. Doesn't seem like my red's shooting on. Oh, I think my restaurant would be a good place to go look at this. So I know that this is just fireworks galore. 10 minutes of shooting on fireworks that it still isn't done. And so thank you guys for watching. I know this was really laggy. It's just because of all the redstone has included. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, like and subscribe to the channel. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. I always appreciate new subscribers.